Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing muffler delete for my i20 and doing a straight pipe instead of it, and also we will be changing the end can and will install a Valvetronic exhaust from Remus. First let us start with the straight pipe. The stock muffler on my i20 is being removed right now, so we will later do it with a straight pipe. So we successfully removed the muffler and we are getting ready to straight pipe the exhaust. This is the pipe being cut. We'll be replacing it into place of muffler. This is the Valvetronic Remus exhaust that I will be installing on my i20. So the Endcan has been successfully removed and we are replacing it with the Remus Valvetronic exhaust. So they are doing the gas welding right now. The connection has been done, the electrical part has been done already. Now we have to wait until the exhaust has been fixed properly. So we are done with the installation, so wait for the part 2 where I'll be showing the sound. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.